Hi there, students. Do you remember this word buckle? Yeah, a buckle, a fastener for a strap. Well, we have a nice phrasal verb in English, to buckle down to something. Okay, so if you buckle down, you start to do something seriously. Okay? You need to study if you're going to pass your exam. You need to buckle down. You need to buckle down to your work. Okay? It's like get down to. Okay? To begin doing something strongly and seriously. It's time to get down to work. It's time to buckle down, intransitive. To buckle down to work with the direct object. Okay? So, buckle down to your English, watch a video every day, and your English will get better. I feel it's got the idea of you're strapping yourself into the seat. Remember to buckle up, put on your seatbelt, okay? So, to buckle down. You can't get up and walk around, you're buckled or strapped into the seat where you do whatever you do. Time to buckle down to work. Time to buckle down to the difficult part of this, okay? So to do something seriously, yeah? To concentrate on it and try to do it with hard work, okay? To concentrate on it, not to go in another direction and prevaricate maybe, but buckle down to it, okay? So, buckle down to your studies and I know you're going to do well. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Buckle down to it.